These are baby wipes. I swear to God, they're somewhere. The new wipes I got for my face are somewhere, but I can't find them. And let's be real, baby wipes are not the same. The other ones don't require such digging into my face to get it up. Makeup off. Welcome back, my classics. It's Alana again, and I am going to do a my husband picks my makeup. I'd like to preface this by saying I did it second, but my footage was corrupted, and I'm having to literally refilm what I put on. So, and that's why I just took all the makeup off my face with baby wipes, because I couldn't find my face wipes. They're around here somewhere, and they're mocking me. I swear. So I have all the makeup. I went back through the video. I have all the makeup that he picked in the video, and including things that afterwards I noticed that he missed, and I asked him to pick. So he plucked those out of the lineup as well. Like, he didn't pick a mascara. He didn't pick a contour. I made him go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Soup's on! Come and get it!
Some of the things he picked were not my favorites. Like the e.l.f. This is the primer. It did not control blemishes for me. So I have not been the biggest fan of it. It's supposed to be blemish control, but it doesn't even blur my pores. It just kind of feels like a layer of unabsorbing lotion on my face. So, but we're just gonna jump right in. The next thing he had picked was my Wet n Wild foundation, which I was pretty proud of, because way to go him for actually paying attention to the fact that this is my favorite that I have so far. It's not the favorite foundation I've ever tried, ever, but it's pretty up there. I'm trying to do this as fairly not tediously as possible. But thank heavens he picked this foundation. Like, literally the only thing that worked was his footage. Everything else was just corrupted. Alright, next is he picked my e.l.f. concealer. Not my favorite because it is off color from what I am. It's more of a yellow tint, and I am more of a pinkish tint, but it's whatever. Yeah, see, look, that made my under eyes look so yellow. Next, I would use my powder, which he chose my Airspun. You don't really need me to tell you what he chose, but I can't even begin to tell you how happy that made me. He picked my usual favorite Revolution London Eyebrow Kit. Literally racing the clock because they're getting antsy. Now, he was very specific about this. Not so much in the video, but in person he told me, when it comes to this, if I can ever get it open, he wants me to put this color down here all over my lid, and then top it with this purple color right here from the Ulta glitter. So, alright, no transition, no nothing, because he's a guy. So we're just going to go ahead and grab that and start see what I can do with this. Oh man, I mean, it is a pretty color. Grab out nice. This is a blurring brush, but I never do things the way they're supposed to be. We're just going to grab a whole mess of this. Just kind of press it on. Oh, the glitter. That actually kind of looks cute. The eyeliner that he picked, unfortunately, it died that video. Like, that was the end of it. So I have to improvise, and I asked him, and he said, go ahead and grab whatever one is the one you grab for. So I'm grabbing for my Tarte one, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice big wing. Don't blink. Yes! And now, he didn't grab a mascara, so I pestered him. He picked Physicians Formula. Alright, let's just brush off the glitter stayed. Of course it did. Of course it did. Alright. Next was, he didn't pick a contour. He told me to pick a contour. So I picked my e.l.f. palette contour. This is a contour bronzer. That's St. Lucia. It's a nice one. I use this darker side. I just take it on my contouring brush and put it right below my cheekbones. Right on this half. I'm going almost to the center. And then this half almost to the center, and then blending those together. So that it kind of, it's gonna go right along under the jaw, but I don't just do a streak, I do it like blending it down, which this is where I get my acne the most. So I don't know. Then next was the blush, which he picked this one. This is my favorite. It's my Milani one. I will always love this one. Just gonna do a light dusting because let's face it, the eyes are the focal point in this look today. And then he picked my e.l.f. little highlighter. I'm not as big a fan of this one because I don't feel like its shimmer payoff is half as great as some of the other e.l.f. ones. He picked my Milani lipstick, which is like seriously a favorite. It's just a regular cream lipstick, so it does not stay put, but it's such a lovely shade. And then I'm going to set it all down with the Illuminating Mist and Set from e.l.f., which is what he chose. I'm not as big a fan of this one because I find that if I still rub my face, it'll smear everything off in that spot. But that's okay. He doesn't know any better. Ah. Oh, I really do like how this turned out. And I never would have done the purple on the eyes myself. That is a bold move, and I really kind of appreciate that of him because it's such a bold move. But I never would have gone with it myself. Pretty proud of him for that. He put me outside of my comfort zone, and I like that. He picked everything that I would have, either I would have chosen it immediately or it would have been my contingency plan item, and I can't be mad at that. And that completes the look that my husband picked for me. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and show me that you love me. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I am posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all. I'm going home. I'll never stop.